Hi everybody, welcome to my series Grammatical Path Common R. Today I am going to teach you about the transitive verb and intransitive verb. So let's start. We often get confused that what kind of verb we have to use with the living things and non-living things. So suppose if I say that the train stopped recently. So in this sentence we often get confused that how did the train stop itself, because it's a machine and it was being driven by the driver. So how it may be possible? On the other hand, either the driver stopped the train or the train stopped. So what's the right sentence? Both sentences are right. Remember that some verb refers both transitive verb and intransitive verb. So stop refers transitive verb and intransitive verb both. How we see that this sentence, the dog stopped the train. So in this sentence, this is a transitive verb. So what's the transitive verb? A transitive verb is a verb in which the action of the verb passes over to the receiver. So in this sentence, the receiver is the train. So train is the direct object, and without the direct object, the transitive verb is incomplete. Remember that the verb can't function without the direct object, and without the direct object, the result would be incomplete. So to put the direct object is really very essential for us. And if we find out whether this is a transitive verb or intransitive verb, so we interrogate, means we ask the question by what or whom. So if I ask the question, what did the driver stop? So answer is the train. So the train is the direct object. So this is the transitive verb. And because only by the interrogative word as what or whom we can distinguish the direct object, but we can't distinguish the direct object by when, how or where, because when, how and where don't follow the direct object. They indicate the time, condition and place. So remember that the train is not the time, train is not the place or condition. This is the object, direct object. I mean, it can be seen or touched. And how you see this sentence that the train stopped recently. So in this sentence, we can use the interrogative word as when, how, and where. Suppose if I ask the question that when did the train stop, or how did the train stop, or where did the train stop? So this is the right question asked by us, but we cannot use the interrogative word what. Suppose if I ask the question what did the train stop, so answer is nothing. This is the awkward question asked by us, and this is an intransitive verb. So what's an intransitive verb? An intransitive verb is a verb that does not pass over, any action of the verb to the receiver. So in this sentence, nothing is receiver. So what's this? This is an adverb. Remember that we can add an adverb in the intransitive verb, but this is not the direct object. This is not the object or direct object. So this is the intransitive verb. And how we see these sentences? In the first sentence, that it's written that he is flying a kite. So in this sentence, if I ask the question, what's he flying? So answer is the kite. A kite is the direct object. So this is the transitive verb. And here we see the second sentence that bees are flying. So in this sentence, if I ask the question that what are bees flying? So answer is nothing. So this is the intransitive verb, because this is an intransitive verb, and bees are not flying anything. In this sentence, bees are not flying anything. Bees are flying themselves. So because this is an intransitive verb and an action is only being performed by itself and it is not being transferred to the any other receiver, means any other direct object. So this is an intransitive verb. And how we see these sentences, and in the first sentence it's written that I have boiled the milk. So in the sentence, if I ask the question that what I have boiled, so answer is the milk. So the milk is the direct object, so this is the transitive verb. And have you see the second sentence, the milk has boiled. So in this sentence we can ask the question by when has the milk boiled, or where has the milk boiled, and how has the milk boiled. But we can't use what, because this is an intransitive verb. And have you see this third sentence, the peon rang the bell. So this is the transitive verb and the bell rang, so this is the intransitive verb. But you have to respond yourself in my comment box. And remember that some verbs are always intransitive verb and some verbs are always a transitive verb. So please watch on my next video such type of queries. And if you have any suspicion, so please write on my comment box, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.